Good morning, 7th standard. I welcome you all for this new session, and today we are going to see a new lesson 4. So with this lesson, we are completing the portion for quarterly. So for quarterly, you will be having lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4. So far, whatever we have finished till lesson 3, I would request you to complete and keep it ready for the submission of classwork correction. And lesson 4, today we will start with the vocabularies and we will finish with this lesson based French passage and exercise. Okay, so let us start with the vocabulary. So I want you to take vocabulary page. So lesson 4, the name of the lesson is Les Parents de Manuel. Les Parents de Manuel. Okay, so we'll go for the vocabulary page and then we'll go to the French passage. So take this page number 52, 52. So we'll start with the vocabulary and then we'll move to the French passage. So please repeat along with me. These vocabularies will repeat in the French passage, so please don't take it easy. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so please repeat. Apprenons, let us learn. No. Nouns. L'ambassade. L'ambassade is a embassy. So in foreign countries, every country will have an embassy, so that deals with all the problems or whatever the things happening regarding for example, in Pakistan or in any other country, we will have an Indian embassy. So people who go from here, in case if they have any queries or problem, they will reach the embassy and embassy will take care of them and they will solve the problem. So l'ambassade is the name in French. L'ambassade, embassy. Le bâtiment. Bâtiment is nothing but building. Okay, please repeat. Le bâtiment, building. Le directeur régional, the regional manager. So for every region there will be a manager. For example, if a person is working for milk products and he is in Tamil Nadu, for each region there will be a manager and they will contact the regional manager for any other queries or business related things. So le directeur régional is nothing but the regional manager. Okay, so le directeur régional, the regional manager. L'entreprise means company. So if anyone has a company, you should say vous avez une entreprise. So l'entreprise, please repeat. L'entreprise, company. L'hôpital is the French word and in the English word is hospital. Okay, l'hôpital. In Pondicherry, people used to say, I am going to l'hôpital. So there are few people, they use French words in the regional language itself. So la maison, you have been learning from 6th standard. La maison means house. Le médicament is nothing but medicine. So medicine means the tablets or the prescription which is given by the doctor. It is called as le médicament. La mer is nothing but sea. La plage means beach, but la mer means sea. Please repeat. La mer. La montagne means mountain. La musique is nothing but classical music. So la musique classique is French. Classical music is English. So we have to reverse the word. La musique classique. So the next word is l'oiseau. L'oiseau. L'oiseau means bird. Le plan. Le plan. So plan, there are two meanings. One is map and second is a plan. So for both the things you can say le plan. Le pont. Le pont is nothing but bridge. Okay. So if you want to say bridge in French, you have to say le pont. Le pont. So T is silent. No need to pronounce the T. So la jeunesse. La jeunesse. La jeunesse means youth. The youth life we say as la jeunesse. That means in the young age we used to do something, we will tell no. So while I was youth, I used to go for swimming, we will say no. So those sentences should be constructed using la jeunesse. Okay, now we are going to learn some verbs. Most of these things are ER verbs. So one or two is RE, right? Okay, so adore. Adore is the verb which you learn from 6th standard. Okay, adore. To adore. Construire. Construire. Construire is to construct. Marcher. Marcher is to walk. Nager. Nager to swim. Ausculter. To examine, to check up. So in case if you are going for to meet a doctor, so you are auscultating, that means ausculter. So you can use this verb to examine yourself. Okay, ausculter, to examine, to check up. Préférer. Préférer is to prefer. Réparer. Réparer is to repair. Soigner. Soigner. Soigner is to look after, that is to take care of yourself. Okay, so if someone is not feeling well, you will say no, take care of yourself. So in that case you have to use this verb, soigner. Travailler. Travailler is to work. Visiter. Visiter is to visit. Voyager. Voyager means to travel. So we are done with the verbs. Now we are going to adjectives. Okay, so adjective, please repeat. Adjective is adjectives. Premiere. Premiere. Sorry, primaire. Primaire is primary. Souriant. Souriant. Souriant is pleasant. Primaire, souriant, pleasant. Okay, so please learn these vocabularies. These vocabularies might come for today's online test. And now we will go for the French passage. So take the first page of lesson 4. Here's the page. Now before going to this, we will read the passage once and then we will go for the true or false and based exercise. Today I am not going to give you the translation. Translation we will do in the next session. Today we will do the explanation and we will try to complete these 3 exercises. Okay, so let us start. First you need not repeat. Second time you can repeat along with me. Okay, first I will read. Please concentrate. Le père de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. Il est directeur régional. Il voyage beaucoup. Il aime le voyage. Il aime les montagnes. Il n'aime pas la mer. La mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital. Elle est médecin. Elle ausculte les malades et elle donne des médicaments. Elle est sympathique. Elle adore la musique classique. Elle n'aime pas la télé. L'oncle de Manuel est architecte. Il fait des plans pour construire des maisons, des bâtiments, des ponts, etc. Et la tante de Manuel, elle est ingénieure. No, elle n'est pas ingénieure, elle est journaliste. Okay, this is the thing. So the passage is very small, so I'll get into the topic. Before that, you read along with me once, okay? So le père de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. Please repeat. Le père de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. Il est directeur régional. Il voyage beaucoup. Il aime le voyage. Il aime les montagnes. Il n'aime pas la mer. La mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital. Repeat. Elle est médecin. Elle ausculte les malades et elle donne des médicaments. I repeat. Elle ausculte les malades et elle donne des médicaments. Elle est sympathique. Elle adore la musique classique. Elle n'aime pas la télé. L'oncle de Manuel est architecte. I repeat, l'oncle de Manuel est architecte. Il fait des plans pour construire des maisons. Il fait des plans pour construire des maisons, des bâtiments, des ponts, etc. Et la tante de Manuel est ingénieure. Et la tante de Manuel, elle est ingénieure. You have to give the intonation since there is a question mark, okay? Et la tante de Manuel, elle est ingénieure? Non, elle n'est pas ingénieure. Elle est journaliste. Okay, we are done with this. So now we will go for the explanation part. See, let us start with this image, okay? So see this lady with a stethoscope. She is the mother of Manuel and she is a doctor, okay? And this guy who is on the right side is the father of Manuel and he is the director regional. So those things we saw in the vocabulary, right? And I guess this is the uncle of Manuel and he must be an architect. And he does the plan for constructing the houses and buildings and bridges. Okay, now let us discuss on these things. So now we are going to see les parents de Manuel, and we are going to discuss on father, mother, uncle and aunt. So let us see the explanation of this French passage now. Le père de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. Le père de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. So if we see this passage, mostly we are going to deal with all the professions. So first the father's profession, the mother's profession, uncle's profession and aunt's profession. So what the profession is and what they are doing and what do they like and what do they dislike. So these things we are going to discuss. First is father. Le père de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. So you know what is entreprise, right? So that is a company, okay? So the father of Manuel works in a company. Il est directeur régional. He is the regional director. Il voyage beaucoup. So he travels a lot. So if there is a regional manager, they have to travel from region to region to know the status of the company and the process, everything. So they have to travel. Il aime le voyage. So he also like traveling from one place to another. So il aime le voyage, so he likes to travel, he likes the journey. Il aime les montagnes, so the father of Manuel likes mountains, but things he doesn't like is il n'aime pas la mer. So but he likes the mountain, he doesn't likes the sea. So these are the informations given about the father of Manuel. Now let's see what does the mother does and what she likes and dislikes. La mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital. So she works in a hospital. The mother of Manuel works in a hospital. Elle est médecin. She is a doctor. Elle ausculte les malades et elle donne des médicaments. Okay, so in case if you have a pencil, just underline these words, because when you underline these words it will be helpful for you, that it will come on the vocabulary, and in the online test it will be easy for you. So these words you can underline: on entreprise, directeur régional, hôpital. So if it is an entreprise, you must know one profession regarding. So second one is hôpital. So who will work in hospital? Doctor, nurse, and other professional people. So even one profession you know, that is good. So let's continue now. La mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital. She works in the hospital, and elle est médecin. She is a doctor. Elle ausculte les malades et donne des médicaments. So auscule is the verb which we already seen in the vocabulary section. Elle auscule is nothing but she examines the sick people and she gives them the prescription, the medicament, that is the medicines. Okay, so the slip for buying medicines. So that is called as prescriptions. Okay. Elle est sympathique. Sympathique, the meaning is nice. She is nice. Nice, another way you can say she is kind. Elle adore la musique classique. So she likes the classical music. Elle n'aime pas la télé. So what she prefers is to listening to music. She doesn't like watching TV. Okay, so elle n'aime pas la télé. That means she doesn't like to watch TV. Now let us see the uncle of Manuel. The uncle of Manuel est architect. He is an architect. Il fait des plans pour construire des maisons, des bâtiments, des ponts, etc. So what he does is, he does the plans to construct the houses, buildings and bridges, etc. So what is the work of an architect? They will plan the building and they will show the procedure, or they will just explain us how the building will be in future. So the main plan is they give a outline of that particular building. Okay, so in and out they will tell you how it will become and what will be the required area to build that particular place. So he is a good architect. So he does plans for doing construction of houses, buildings and bridges, etc. So let us see the last person, that is the aunt. Et la tante de Manuel, elle est ingénieure. So this one is just like an intonation. That doesn't mean she is an engineer. No, elle n'est pas ingénieure, elle est journaliste. So regarding the aunt of Manuel, the information given here is she is not an engineer, and she is a journalist. So nothing else given more about her. So what we are going to do now is we are going to discuss on these things, and we are going to do dites vrai ou faux, complétez avec un mot du texte, répondez. Okay, so everything we will discuss here and we will find out the answer. Okay, so first thing, la mère de Manuel est actrice. So is she an actress? What is she? She is a doctor, right? La mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital. So she is a doctor. Here they have given actrice. So the answer is Wrong. So we have to write faux. So the spelling of faux is here. If you have a pencil, please write faux here. First one is faux. Elle n'aime pas la télé. This one it is given here. See, elle n'aime pas la télé. Yeah, that is true. So elle n'aime pas la télé. That is vrai. Vrai. Okay. Un architecte fait des plans pour construire des maisons. So the third question is, what is the work of the architect? Il fait des plans pour construire des maisons. So the architect fait des plans pour construire des maisons. Is it true or false? What is your opinion? Okay, so it is vrai. Okay, so what is the next one? Le père de Manuel aime la mer. Le père de Manuel is here. Okay, see what is given. Il aime les montagnes. Il n'aime pas la mer. That is what given here. So the answer is le père de Manuel aime la mer is faux, because he doesn't likes the sea. Fifth one is la tante de Manuel est ingénieur. That is the final thing which we saw here. La tante de Manuel est ingénieur? No, elle n'est pas ingénieure. Elle est journaliste. So again it is faux. So hope you took the answers. So this one is faux, vrai, vrai, faux, faux. So 2 and 3 alone vrai. 1, 4 and 5 is faux. Now let's move on to compléter avec un mot du texte. Je n'aime pas dash en été, je vais en France cet été. J'aime pas en été, je vais en France cet été. So what would be the answer? Okay, let's see. See, you can find the answer with these ideas. See, subject, verb, and this is object that will become a noun also. So I think either the answer would be il aime le voyage or il aime les montagnes. So out of this, anyone should come. So j'aime voyage en été, je vais en France cet été. Okay, let us check. Okay, so first we will try and then we will check. Elle est sympathique, elle soigne les. This is very easy. See, elle est sympathique, elle soigne les malades. Because she is nice, she takes care of the sick people. Where is malade? Malade is here. Les malades. See, here it is. Elle ausculte les malades. You can take the spelling from here. Les malades. Okay. Regardes-tu la dash tous les soirs? So this one is télé. See, regardes-tu la télé? How I am telling is, see, la is here and here it is. There is a clue given here. Regardes-tu la télé tous les soirs? So the third answer would be télé. Le pont Avignon est un des vieux dash en France. Le pont Avignon. Le pont is the bridge, okay? And the name of the bridge is Avignon est un des vieux dash en France. So let us search for it. So out of this should be a noun. Okay, le pont d'Avignon est un des vieux. Okay, let us search. I think they vieux pont, the same will repeat. Why? Because they is here, okay, des ponts, etc. That is here. Complétez avec un mot du texte. So from the text only we have to find the answer. So out of these we cannot say Pont Avignon as maison because it is a bridge. How can we say a bridge as a house? Secondly, bâtiment, we cannot say a bridge as a building. So and the vieux pont, the same word will repeat, P-O-N-T-S, en France. So first we will just do it on our own and then we'll cross check with the answers, okay? Mon frère est dash, il travaille avec un journal à Paris. So if he works with a newspaper company on Paris, what he would be? Mon frère est, here's the answer, journalist. But here it is given with E, but when you write here it should be without E. Why? Because mon frère is masculine. Mon frère est journaliste. Il travaille avec un journal à Paris. So we have to just confirm with the first answer alone. J'aime. So there are two possibilities here. J'aime voyager en été. Je vais en France cet été. So voyager might be the second verb, or we can write j'aime le voyage. See here. J'aime le voyage. This would be the answer. J'aime le voyage. Why? Because it should become a noun. Already there is subject and verb is there. Only we have to search for a noun. Okay, j'aime le voyage en été. Je vais en France cet été. Anyway, we will discuss with the solution in the next class. Okay, so that time we can just cross check the answers. So now let's move on to, hope you would have taken what we have done here. Okay, I think you should have underlined from here itself and you should have written here. Now let's discuss on répondez, that is topic number 3. Qu'est-ce que le père de Manuel aime? Qu'est-ce qu'il n'aime pas? Very simple. See, very nice and very simple. What does the father of Manuel likes and what he doesn't like? So we'll go and see the para where it is related. Le père de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. Il est directeur régional. Il voyage beaucoup. Il aime le voyage. Il aime les montagnes. Il n'aime pas la mer. So there it is. Il aime le voyage. Il aime les montagnes. Il n'aime pas la mer. That is the answer. So you can put a bracket from year to year and make it as number 1. Okay. So let's discuss the second question, that is quelle est la profession de la mère de Manuel? So just they are asking the profession. Okay, so we'll go to the la mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital, elle est médecin. Now they are asking for the profession, right? So elle est médecin is the answer. How we have to write? La profession de mère de la Manuel, la profession de la mère de Manuel est médecin. Okay, so first you have to write from here la profession de la mère de Manuel, and you have to write this A because this is total, it is subject, and this A should come here, a médecin. So that's how it should end. Okay, so this is for today's class. We have finished the French passage and the true or false, complétez and répondez. Hope we have some more time. I think we can finish this translation also. So let us discuss on the translation immediately. Just what you do, you take a pencil and you try to just write what I am telling in your rough note and you copy it in your classwork. Okay. Le maire de Manuel travaille dans une entreprise. The father of Manuel works in a company. The father of Manuel works in a company. Il est directeur régional. He is the regional director. He is the regional director. He travels a lot. He will voyage beaucoup. He travels a lot. He travels a lot. Il aime de voyage. He likes to travel. He likes to travel. Il aime les montagnes. He likes the mountains. He likes the mountains. Il n'aime pas la mer. He doesn't likes the sea. He doesn't likes the sea. La mère de Manuel travaille dans un hôpital. The mother of Manuel works in a hospital. The mother of Manuel works in a hospital. Elle est médecin. She is doctor. Elle est médecin. She is a doctor. The mother of Manuel works in a hospital. She is a doctor. Elle ausculte les malades et elle donne des médicaments. She examines the sick and she gives them medicines. She examines the sick and she gives them medicines. Medicines or tablets or whatever you can say. She examines the sick and she gives them medicines. She is kind. She is kind. Elle est sympathique. She is kind. She likes classical music, or you can write she adores classical music. She doesn't likes the TV. She doesn't likes TV. Hope you will go for the next thing. L'oncle de Manuel est architect. The uncle of Manuel is architect. The uncle of Manuel is architect. He do plans for constructing houses. He does, or you can write he does plans for constructing houses, buildings, bridges, etc. He does plans for constructing houses, buildings, bridges, etc. Et la tante de Manuel est ingénieur, and the aunt of Manuel, is she engineer? Question mark. And the aunt of Manuel, is she engineer? Question mark. No, she is not an engineer. She is journalist. No, she is not an engineer. She is journalist. So with this we are completing the translation and the explanation for lesson 4. Since this is a very short passage, I gave the translation immediately. Hope you will cooperate and start writing lesson 4, and that is the reason very shortly we will be having quarterly, and that is the reason we are just trying to cover the portion. Okay, so today's class we have finished this translation and explanation, and we have done the page number 47, that is dites-vous faut compléter avec un mot du texte, répondez. So I just want you to finish this page alone. Okay, so in the upcoming class we will try to see some new topic based on this lesson. Okay, so hope in today's class you had a good time, and I want you to just complete as much I have finished. Okay, so thank you, 7th standard. And in case if you have missed something, so just rewind the video and just take notes and try to write it in your classwork. Okay, so thank you all, god bless you, have a nice day. And today's online test will be based on this page. Okay, 47. Thank you.